Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdullah Usnakarim. Today, I would like to talk about a topic that is simple but very important in our life. The topic is personality development. The title of my speech is Becoming a Better Version of Yourself. Small steps, but big change. When we hear the words becoming better, many people think about big success. Some people think that change must be something big, fast, and perfect. But I believe that becoming a better version of ourselves does not always mean becoming perfect. It means growing step by step. It means improving our mindset, our habits, our confidence, and our attitude. Many people want to change their life. They want to be more confident. They want to be more disciplined. They want to stop wasting time. They want to speak better, study better, working better, and live better. But the problem is, many people do not know where to start. Some people wait for the perfect time. They say, I start when I'm ready. Some people say, I will change next month. Some people say, I will become serious when I have motivation. But the truth is, the perfect time rarely comes. Change does not begin when everything is perfect. Change begins when we decide to take one small step today. For me, this topic is personal. I used to be a shy person. I was not confident when I had to speak in front of many people. Even during presentation, I sometimes felt nervous and embarrassed. I was afraid of making mistakes. I was afraid that people would judge me because of that speaking in public was not easy for me. But slowly I realized that if I could not stay the same forever, I needed to change. I need to be braver. I started to train myself to speak in front of many people. I practiced how to deliver my ideas. I learned how to control my nervousness. I learned that confidence does not appear suddenly. Confidence grows when we practice again and again. In this speech, I want to share 4 simple ideas about personality development. First, we need to know ourselves. Second, we need to build small positive habits. Third, we need to leave our comfort zone. And fourth, we need to stay consistent. The first step in personality development is knowing ourselves. Before we try to become better, we need to understand who we are. We need to know our strengths, our weaknesses, our values, and our goals. Many people compare themselves with others too much. They look at their friends, classmates, influencers, or successful people on social media. Then they feel left behind. But comparison can make us forget our journey. Everyone has a different background. Everyone has a different pace. Everyone has a different problems. Someone may be good at speaking, but weak in discipline. Someone may be smart in class, but not confident in public. Someone may look successful, but still struggle inside. That is why knowing ourselves is important. When we understand ourselves, we can improve in the right direction. We do not need to become someone else. We only need to become a better version of ourselves. I realized that one of my weaknesses was public speaking. I was shy and I did not feel comfortable speaking in front of many people. But when I accept that weaknesses, I could start improving it. I did not need to become a perfect speaker in one day. I only need to become better than before. The second step is building small positive habits. Many people fail to change because they want big results too quickly. They want to change everything at once. They want to wake up early, study for hours, speak confidently, become active, and become successful immediately. That sounds good, but it's often difficult to maintain. Real change usually begins with small habits. Small habits may look simple, but they can create big results over time. For example, practicing speaking for 5 minutes is small, but if we do it many times, our confidence will improve. Reading a short text aloud is small, but it can train pronunciation and fluency. Preparing before a presentation is small, but it can help us feel more ready. In my own experience, I start by practicing how to speak better. I try to be more prepared before presenting. I also try to be more active in campus activities. This small action helped me become more confident little by little. The third zone is leaving our comfort zone. Comfort zone is a situation where we feel safe because everything is familiar. It is not always bad. We all need comfort sometimes, but if we stay too long in our comfort zone, we may stop growing. For me, speaking in front of many people was outside my comfort zone. Joining an organization was also a challenge. Taking a strategic position in an organization was not easy. It required responsibility, courage, communication, and confidence. But I realized that college life is a good opportunity to train myself. Before entering in the working world, I need to prepare my skill. I need to practice my communication. I need to learn how to be a leader. I need to learn how to work with other people. That's why I choose to be active in campus organization. By joining an organization, I learned many things that I could not learn only from the classroom. I learned how to express ideas. I learned how to discuss with others. I learned how to make decisions. I learned how to be responsible for a position. This experience helped me grow as a person. Growth does not always feel comfortable. Sometimes it feels difficult, sometimes it makes us nervous, but that is part of the process. We cannot build confidence by only thinking about confidence. We build confidence by doing things that challenge us. And the fourth step and the last step is consistency. In personality development, consistency is more important than temporary motivation. Motivation can come and go like people. People come and go. Someday we feel excited, someday we feel lazy, someday we feel brave, someday we feel afraid. If we only depend on motivation, we may stop now when our mood changes. Consistency means continuing even when the progress is small. It means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. It means keeping our promise to ourselves. I believe that the change I make today are important for my future, for your future. Being more confident, being active in organization, practicing public speaking, and learning responsibility are not only for today. These are preparation for my future career and my future life, and yours future too. Maybe the progress is not always fast. Maybe I still feel nervous sometimes. Maybe I still make mistakes when speaking, but that is okay. What matters is that I continue to improve. You are continue to improve. Ladies and gentlemen, personal development is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming aware, responsible, confident, and willing to grow. It is about knowing ourselves, building better habits, facing challenges, and staying consistent. My personal journey teaches me that change is possible. A shy person can learn to be more confident. A quiet person can learn to speak. A person who feels afraid can learn to be brave. But all of that needs process, practice, and courage. We do not need to wait for a perfect moment. We do not need to change everything at once. We can start with one small step, one practice, one brave decision, one new responsibility, and one effort to effort. So, let us stop asking, why am I not perfect? Let's start asking, what can I improve today? Because small step when repeated with consistency, can create big changes. Thanks for everyone. Thank you.